TLX, a stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sitting at 7% up, $20 exactly, approximately just out of 21, but yeah. We had a pretty interesting day, like all over the place. First thing that I'm doing is just looking at a broader picture. I mean, that's the only data that we have on the NASDAQ, because it only really started trading on NASDAQ 14th of November. I mean, it's enough. It's enough. It's a bullish range, so I'm gonna give it that. You know, that's sick. And the only thing that I'm looking to do is still buy only if the price pulls down and then shows me those rules, though. You know, what I'm not gonna do is randomly start buying here, just because right now, if my rules are not met and it's not volatile enough, what I'm not gonna do is buy. I'll just like rather wait and follow other ticker symbols, you know, because there's like stuff you can do in the meantime. That's what focus is. But yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, you can click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.